Good morning, students. Now we discuss ERP, Employability Readiness Program. Unit first already discussed. Unit digit 2 power any number. Suppose the next 3 power any number. Three power any number. Suppose here 3 power 1 3, 3 square 9, 3 cube 27, 3 power 4 81, 3 power 5 243, 3 power 6 and so on. This is last digits are 3 9, 3 power 7 7, 3 power 8 1. The last digits are 3971, 3971. So suppose if you want 3 power 91 unit digit. So how many elements are repeated? 4 elements are repeated. That is 3 9 7 1. This is the cycle. That's why the power value should be divided by 4. 422 88. That is 3. So remainder is 3. That is 3 cube 27. So unit digit 7. Then once again 3 power 1 equal to 3, 3 square 9, 3 cube 27, 3 power 4 81, 3 power 5 243, 3 power 6 729, 3 power 7. The last digit is 3971, 3971 are repeated. So that's why if you want 3 power 91 unit digit, the power value is 91. That's why divisible by 4. 422 is 88. 91 minus 88 3. That remainder will be put in 3 power 3 cube 27. The unit digit is 7. That's why unit digit is 7. Suppose then next go to 4 power 91. If you want 4 power 91 unit digit, so that is, if you want 4 power 91 unit digit, so 4 power 1 equal to 4, 4 square equal to 16, 4 cube equal to 64, 4 power 4 equal to 256. So that's why 2 elements are repeated. That is 4 power odd number, the unit digit is 4. 4 power even number, the unit digit is 6. Otherwise, if you want 4 power 91, 4 power 91 is the odd number. That's why unit digit is 4. Otherwise, so if you can take 91, 91 should be divisible by 2 because of 2 elements are repeated, that is 4 and 6. That's why it should be divisible by power value 2. So that is 91 to 45 is 91. The remainder is 1. So if you want unit digit, the remainder put in 4 power 1 4. Then next is 5 power 91. Suppose if you want 5 power 1 5, 5 square 25, 5 cube 125, 5 power 4 625. So that is 5 power any number, the unit digit is 5. That means 5 power any number, the unit digit is 5. That's why 5 power 91 is unit digit is 5. Then next go to 6 power. So the next go to 6 power. If you want 6 power, suppose you can take 6 power any number. 6 power 1 6, 6 square 36, 6 cube 216, 6 power 4 1296 and so on. That means 6 power any number, the unit digit is 6. So 7 power 1 equal to 7, 7 square equal to 49, 7 cube equal to 343, 7 power 4 equal to 2401, 7 power 5 equal to 769. So that means unit digit repeated, 7 power 7, the last digit is 7 power 8. So unit digits are 7931. That means 7 power 1 7, 7 square 49, 7 cube 343, 7 4 4, 2401, 7 4 5, the last digit is 7, then 7 4 6, the last digit is 9, 7 power 7, then last digit is 3, 7 power 8, the last digit is 1. Suppose if you want 7 power 91 unit digit, so you can take how many elements are repeated? 7931, 7931. That means the cycle elements are repeated 7931. That's why we can take power value. Power value is 91. 91 divisible by 4. 422 is 88. The remainder is 3. So that's why put in remainder 7 power 7 cube 343. So that's why 7 power any number 7 power 7 cube equal to 343. So if you want 7 power 91 unit digit, that is 3. So 7 power 91 unit digit is 3. Then next 8. Suppose you can take 8 power any number unit digit. Suppose 8 power 91 unit digit. 8 power 91 unit digit. So that is 8 power 1, 8, 8 square 64, 80 cube 512, 8 power 4, 4096, 8 power 5. So 8 last digit is 8, 8 power 6, 64. So 8 power 7, 2, 8 power 8, 6. So the unit digit are 8426. So that's why if you want 8 power 91 unit digit, cyclically 426 are repeated. That is, number is 4 elements are repeated. That's why you can take 91 is should be divisible by 4. 422 is 88. So that is the remainder 3. That's why the remainder put in 8 power cube 8 cube 512. So unit digit is 2. Suppose then next 9 power 1, 9, 9 square 81, 9 cube 729 and so on. So 2 elements are repeated. This is also 9 power odd number that gives to unit digit 9. 9 power even number unit digit it is 1. Otherwise, if you want 9 power 91 unit digit, if you want 9 power 91 unit digit, suppose you can take 91. So, in how many elements are repeated? 2 elements are repeated. 91 is put divisible by 245 is 90. So, remainder is 1. So, that's why 9 power 1 is 9. This is the unit digit. How can you find the unit digit? So, once again you can explain another example. Suppose if you want unit digit of, you are asking 2 power 248 1 plus 3 power 421 plus 4 power 4 plus 6 power 6. Find the unit digit of, find the unit digit of below it is. That is 2481, 3 power 421, 4 power 44, 6 power 66. If you want unit digit, should be divisible by 2 power 2481 unit digit. If you want 2 power 2481 unit digit, so should be divisible to, because of how many elements are repeated? 2 power any number, 4 elements are repeated. That's why divisible rule of 4 is the last 2 digits are divisible by 4. That number is exactly divisible by 4. That means the remainder is 1. So 2 power 1 plus 3 power 421. How many elements are repeated? Suppose if you want 2 power elements are 2, 4, 8, 6 repeated. 3 power elements are 3 power 1, 3, 3 square 9, 3 cube 27, 1. 4 power 1, 6. 5 power 5, 6 power 6, 7 power 1, 7, 7 square 49, that is 9. Then next 7 cube 343. Then next 7 4 4, 2401, the unit digit is 1. So next 8 power 1, 8. 8 square, 64. The unit is 4. Then next 8 cube 512. The unit is 2. Then next 4096. The unit is 6. So 9 power 1, 9. 9 square 81. That means, so 2 power any number, the unit digits are 2, 4, 8, 6 because of 2 power 1, 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 power 4, 16. The unit digit possible is 2, 4, 8, 6. 3 power 1, 3, 3 square 9, 3 cube 27, 3 power 4, 81. The unit digits are 3, 9, 7, 1. The next 4 power 1, 4, 4 square 16. The unit digit is 4, 6. 5 power any number 5, 6 power any number 6, 7 power 1, 7, 7 square 49, 7 cube 343. That is unit digit is 3. So 7 power 4, 2401. The unit digit is 1. 8 power 1, 8, 8 square 64, 8 cube 512. The unit digit is 2. The next 8 power 4, 4096. So 9 power 1, 9, 9 square 81. The unit digits are 9, 1. So 2 power any number, this is the base elements, this is the unit digit possibilities. So that's why 2 power 2481, if you want unit digit, we can take power value. Power value is 2481, that's why it will be divisible by 4. So suppose 2481 should be divisible by 4, 4 5s are 20, 4 8, 4 6s are 24. So that's why remainder is 0, 8, 1. So this is the remainder is 1. That's why 2 power 1, 2. Then next is 421 should be divisible by 4. The unit digit is, so 3 power 421 divisible by 4. The remainder is 1. 3 power 1, 3. 4 power. So if you know 4 power even number, 4 power odd number 4, 4 power even number 6. So then next 6 power any number 6. So 2 power 1, 2, 3. 3 power 1, 3, 6, 6. That is 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. The unit digit is 7. That's why the unit digit is 7. So this example, the unit digit is 7. Coming to the another example. Suppose you are asking, find the unit digit of, find the unit digit of, small example you can take. Suppose 2 power 21 plus 3 power 42 plus 4 power 446 plus 5 power 55 plus 6 power 666 plus 7 power 77 plus 8 power 88 plus 9 power 91. Suppose find the unit digit of this equation. So you know 2 power 21. So should be divisible by 4. The remainder is 1. That's why 2 power 1. So then next is should be divisible by 4. 4 times of 40. So the remainder is 3 is 2. 3 square plus 4 power even number, that is the 6. 5 power odd any number 5 plus 6 power any number 6 plus 7 power 77 should be divisible by 4 because of 4 elements are repeated. So for 77 divisible by 4, 4 19 is 76. So that is 7 power 1 plus 8 power 88. 88 should be divisible by 88 should be divisible by 4. 422 is 88. That is the remainder 0. Suppose if we can divide any number, should be divisible by 4. Suppose the remainder possibilities are 0, 1, 2, 3 only. So 8 power 1 equal to 8, no problem. 8 square equal to 64. 80 cube equal to 512. So if you want the remainder is 0, you can take 8 power 4. That means 6. The unit digit is, if you want remainder 0, you can take 8 power 4. The unit digit is 6 because of 8 power 4 equal to 4096. That's why unit digit is 6. So plus 9 power odd number 9, 9 power even number 1. So 9 power 91 is the odd number. That's why you can take 9 power 1, 9. So once again, 2 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6 plus 9. So that is 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 5, 22, 22 plus 6, 28, 28 plus 7, 35, 35 plus 6, 41, 41 plus 9, 50. The unidicity is 0, 50. So unidicity is 0. Can take another example. Suppose can take another example. Example 3 power 48 plus 4 power 21 plus 6 power 6. This is also, so 3 power 48 divisible by 4, the remainder is 4, the remainder is 0. So 48 is divisible by 4, the remainder is 0, you can take 3 power 0. That means you can take 3 power 4, 3 power 4 means 1. What I am saying, are getting 3 power 48, 48 should be divisible by 48 should be divisible by 4, the remainder is 0. If you want remainder is 0, possibilities are, remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 power 1 is 3, 3 square 9, 3 cube 27, 3 power 4 81. But any number divisible by 4, the remainder possibilities are 0, 1, 2, 3. So these numbers no problem. If you want 0, you can take 3 power 4. So 3 power 4 plus 4 power 21. So that is to be divisible 4 power odd number 4, 6 power 6. So 1 plus 4 plus 6. So 11. The unidicity is 1. Coming to the next, find the sum of the factors of 48. Factors. Coming to the next point, factors and divisors. Suppose you are asking, find the number of factors of 48. Find the number of factors of 48. Otherwise, sum of factors of 48. What is the factor? What is the divisor? Suppose you can take factors. Suppose 4. Factors are 1, 2, 4. Divisors is also 1, 2, 4. He is asking some situation, find the number of divisors of 48. Sum of the divisors of 48. So, factor means any number divisible by the remainder is reduced to 0, that is called factor. Suppose 1 divisible by 4, 2 divisible by 4, 4 divisible by 4. Suppose 48 factors. So, suppose you can take factors of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24, 48. This is, if we want number of factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. Factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So number of factors is 10. If you want sum of the factors, should be added. If you want sum of factors 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 24 plus 48. So that is, should be added 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 16. So 24, 36, 52, 52 plus 52 plus 24, 76 plus 48, 124. This is the one where. So small example easily find. Otherwise, big numbers, how can you solve? This is the small theorem. Suppose here, if you want find the number of factors or sum of factors. So here should be n equal to a power p into b power q into c power r into d power s into and so on. Here a, b, c, d and so on are distinct prime numbers. Here p, q, r, s and so on are positive integers. So if you want number of factors, here should be write a power p into b power q into c power r into d power s into and so on. If you want a, b, c, d and so on are distinct prime numbers, p, q, r, s are positive integers. So here if you want number of factors, if you want first sum of factors sigma n equal to a power p plus 1 minus 1 by a minus 1 into p power q plus 1 minus 1 by d minus 1 into c power r plus 1 minus 1 by c minus 1 and so on. So then next, if you want number of factors equal to, if you want number of factors equal to number of factors equal to p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1 into s plus 1 into and so on. Suppose you can take 48. 48 should be right 224, 212, 26, 23. That means this is 2 power 4 into 3 power 1. Should be right prime number product is 2 power 4 into 3 power 1. If you want, suppose first number of factors. Number of factors equal to p plus 1 into q plus 1. Because of here, this is a power p into p power q. Here, p equal to 4, q equal to 1. That's why 4 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, 5 into 2, 10. Otherwise, if you want sum of factors, sum of factors equal to a power p plus 1 minus 1 by a minus 1. Otherwise, p power q plus 1 minus 1 by b minus 1 and so on. So here same way 2 power 4 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So